Senior BJP leader Kavinder Gupta officially assumed the office as the third Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Ladakh on Friday. The oath of the office was administered by Justice Arun Palli, Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court, at a formal ceremony held at the Ladakh Raj Niwas in Leh. Chief Secretary Pawan Kotwal read out the presidential warrant of appointment issued by the President Draupadi Murmu earlier this week. Gupta succeeds Brigadier B.D. Mishra, who had taken over in February 2024 following the tenure of R.K. Mathur, the first LG of Ladakh post-reorganization in 2019. After taking oath as the new Lieutenant Governor of UT Ladakh, Kavinder Gupta was presented a guard of honor by the Ladakh police. His political journey began with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, and he was even jailed during the emergency for over a year due to his ideological affiliations. Gupta has also served as the Secretary of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad. His appointment as Ladakh LG is viewed as a move to reinforce the administrative continuity and political engagement in the strategically vital unit territory with the expectations of policy stability and development-focused governance. Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Kavinder Gupta on Friday expressed his commitment to rebuild the Union Territory with the people's support and said they want to take Ladakh to a level where its name will be recognized globally as a top tourism destination. He was administered the oath of office by the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court, Justice Arun Palli, at a ceremony held at the Raj Niwas. The second day of the Sham Festival unfolded in Tia and Tingmosang with prayers, heritage walks, storytelling, dances, crafts and ancestral cuisines. Locals and tourists embraced the Ladakh's rich culture, supported by dignitaries promoting inclusive rural tourism. The event spotlighted the tradition, unity and community-led efforts to preserve Sham's heritage and connect the future generations to the cultural roots. District Panchayat Officer Leh has issued a draft schedule for the revision of electoral rolls for the PRIs of UT Ladakh. This drafting schedule will be directing the concerned officers to initiate the process from 21st of July 2025 to 15th of September 2025.